Stop using Google. It's time for a much better search experience. This AI gives you better answers in seconds. Let's be honest about how we search for information today. Every time you search something on Google, you don't really get answers. You get links. You open one website, then another, and before you know it, you've wasted 10 or even 20 minutes just trying to understand one simple topic. It's slow, it's confusing, and sometimes you don't even find the right answer. But today, I'm going to show you a better way. This tool is called Perplexity AI, and it completely changes how you search online. Instead of giving you a list of websites, it gives you one clear answer instantly, and it also shows you the sources it used. So let me show you how to use it step by step.
This tool is called Perplexity AI, and it changes the way you find information online. Instead of just giving you links first, it gives you a clear and direct answer immediately. Then, if you want to explore more, it also provides related links, images, and even videos based on your search. So you get both, a quick answer first and deeper information if you need it. Now, let me show you how to use it step by step. First, go to perplexity.ai on your phone or computer. When you open it, you'll see a clean and simple interface. Click on Sign Up and create your free account using your Google account or your email. It only takes a few seconds. After logging in, you can start using it immediately for free. Now let's try a simple example. Type, "How to make money online with AI." Instantly, it gives you a clear answer you can understand, not a list of websites, but a real explanation. And below that answer, you will see source links if you want to check the original information. You can also find related images and sometimes videos to help you understand better. So instead of searching again and again, everything is organized in one place. Now let's go deeper. Ask something like, "Give me a step-by-step plan to make money with AI as a beginner." And just like that, it creates a full plan for you. Step-by-step, simple, clear, and practical. It feels like you have a personal assistant helping you think faster. You can also use it to grow your YouTube channel. For example, ask, "Give me viral YouTube video ideas about AI money," and instantly you get powerful ideas you can use right away. And again, if you want more details, you can scroll down and explore links, images, and videos related to those ideas. Now let's talk about the free version. The free version is already very powerful. You can search, learn, and generate ideas without paying anything. There is also a pro version with more advanced features and faster responses. Sometimes they even offer a free trial so you can test it. But honestly, the free version is more than enough for most beginners. This tool can save you hours of time, help you learn faster, and even help you make money online if you use it correctly. So from today, stop wasting time searching the old way. Start using AI to get faster, smarter, and better results.
If you want more videos like this about powerful AI tools and how to use them, so make sure you subscribe right now for more powerful AI tools. And don't miss the next one.